Learn with East Islamic Academy presents Principles of Arabic Language. قواعد اللغة العربية. So in this lesson, we are going to start with Al-Jumlah. Repeat after me. Al-Jumlah. Al-Jumlah means sentence in Arabic language. It means sentence in Arabic language. I'm going to start with the definition of sentence. It is a statement composed of words. So let's give examples of sentences. So I'm going to start with هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. Repeat after me. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب means this is a book. The is here in Arabic language is not shown as a word. It is assimilated in a sentence. So this sentence هذا كتاب is a sentence in Arabic language and is called al-jumlah. The next example is al-ilmu nafi'. Repeat after me. Al-ilmu nafi'. Al-ilmu nafi'. Al-ilmu means knowledge. Al-ilmu means knowledge. Or you say science. That's science. Nafi' means beneficial. Nafi' means beneficial. So this particular sentence is also what is called al-jumlah in Arabic language. So let's give another example. We have Kitabu Zaydin. Repeat after me. Kitabu Zaydin. This means the book of Zayd. The book of Zayd. The of here is linking the kitab to Zayd. So let's look at, analyze the types of sentence. We say anwa'ul jumlah. Anwa'ul jumlah. Repeat after me. Anwa'ul jumlah. In terms of meaning, we have two types of sentences. The first one is al-jumlatu al-mufida, or you say al-jumlatu al-mufida, meaning a complete sentence. So let me write it for you here, meaning the complete or meaningful sentence. The next one is al-jumlatu ghayru mufida, meaning an or the incomplete sentence. Incomplete sentence. So anytime you hear ghayru in Arabic language means not. It means not. So we say al-jumlatu ghayru mufida, not meaningful or complete sentence. So that is good. So let's start with the definition of al-jumlatu al-mufida. We say it is a sentence having a complete sense. So what I need in this definition is a complete sense. So let's see examples of complete sentences having complete senses. So I say fazal mujtahidu. Fazal mujtahidu. Repeat after me. Fazal mujtahidu. The striving person is al-mujtahid in Arabic language. The striving person. Faza is successful. Or I say the striving person is successful. Faza al-mujtahidu. This particular sentence, it makes a complete sense to me. So I call it al-jumlatul mufida. The next example is aktubu bil qalam. Aktubu means I write. Aktubu means I write. Bi means with. Then al-qalam means the pen. So this particular sentence is having a sense to the listener. So I say it is also a complete or meaningful sentence. That is al-jumlatul mufida. So let's give examples of, or let's give definition of al-jumlatu ghayru mufida, an incomplete sentence. We say it is a sentence having no complete sense. So what I need in this definition is no complete sense. Let me give examples. If I say faza, so the question is, who is successful? Who is successful? That's the question. So this sentence is not having a complete sense. It's not meaningful. Another example is if I say aktubu bi, I write. Aktubu, I told you, means I write. Be with. So the question I'm going to ask is, I'm writing with what? So this sentence is also not complete. That is good. So we say each component of a sentence is called Colima. It's called what? Colima. So Colima means a word. So let's give two examples. So I say هذا كتاب. So any part of this sentence will be a word. So let me circle one of the part. So I circle هذا. I'm sure you can still remember the meaning of هذا. Yes, هذا means this. It means this. So let's give another sentence and circle the word or kalima there. So let me see the one to circle. Let me circle nafi'. So nafi' means, can you remember? Yes, you try. Nafi' means beneficial. Beneficial. So al-ilmu nafi' means knowledge is beneficial. So nafi' is a word. Al-ilmu is a word. Hadha is a word. Kitab is a word. So each component of a sentence is called kalima, meaning a word. So let's have a tadrib, meaning the exercise. Put a mark in front of a complete sentence. So let's try to analyze together the sentences that are complete and the ones that are not complete. So the first one is, we say al-baytu jamil, the house is beautiful. This sentence is having a complete sense. This house is beautiful. The next example is ma'al ustad, with the teacher. With the teacher. So I'm going to ask a question here by saying, what is happening with the teacher? So this particular sentence is not complete. It's not complete. So I'm going to have this. It's not complete. So the next one is rajulun salih, a righteous man. A righteous man. What happened to a righteous man? Did he pray? Did he sleep? Did he make supplication? So the sentence here is composed of rajul and salih. Rajul means man, salih means righteous, but it does not make a complete sense to the listener. So I am not going to mark it as a complete sentence. Let's give another tadrib, another exercise. So bring out word from each of the sentences. So I say khudh al-kitab. Khudh al-kitab means take the book. So anytime you want to tell somebody to take something, you say khudh. You say khudh. Khudh meaning take. So I'm having take the book here. I say khudh al-kitab. Take the book. So let me just bring a word from this sentence. So I'm going to be satisfied with bringing khudh as my choice word. Another example is udrus jayyidan. Repeat after me. Udrus jayyidan. Udrus means study. I'm commanding. Study well. So I'm happy to pick udrus as a word in this sentence. So anytime you want to tell somebody to study, you command him and say udrus, study. Another example is qif huna. Qif huna. Qif means stand or stop. So qif huna means stand or stop. Huna means here. So I am going to pick huna as a word here. Huna means here. So that is good. So shukran, we meet in the next lesson.